Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can convert picture of a text into a text that you can then edit in Microsoft Word. You don't need any other applications except the Microsoft Word. Well, the first thing that we are going to do is you take a picture, and you can do this with your smartphone. It'll save it as a jpeg, and then you're going to get that photo on your computer. So here I'm on my desktop, and I've actually already done those steps, so we don't have to jump through those. And here I'm going to open up the image that I took. So I have this jpeg, and I want to edit this text. Well, how do I do that? So what I'm going to do is we're going to open Microsoft Word, because I said we would use Word to do this. And we are going to jump into just a blank document. First thing that we are going to do is take this jpeg that I created, and we are going to drag and drop that into Word. And so here you'll see that I have the image in Word. But hey, I can't actually edit the text. How do I edit the text? It's a little bit roundabout way to do it. Microsoft would probably make this a little easier. Let's say you could right click on it, and there was some option to convert to text. So how do we do that? The first thing we are going to do is go to File, and then Save As. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on my desktop. So we are going to just save it as, let's say, convert to text. Now, but what we are going to do is save as. Instead of just saving it as a document, what we want to do is we want to save this as a PDF. So we are going to click on PDF, and then we are going to click on Save. So there you go, and now it's going to open up. It looks like Microsoft Edge, and it shows me the PDF that I just saved with that image. Now, one of the beautiful things that you could do with Word is when you open a PDF, Word automatically converts that PDF to text. And so that's basically how we get the text into Word. So let's try that. What I'm doing now is I go to File, Open, and we are going to the desktop. And then I see my Convert to Text PDF. So let's try opening that file. So I'm going to click on that, and it says Word will now convert your PDF to an editable Word document. That's exactly what we want. This might take a while. The resulting Word document will be optimized to allow you to edit the text, so it might not look exactly like the original PDF. That's fine. So we are going to click on OK. And right now, it's doing a conversion. And there you go. It says basically all the text from the sheet, and sees where I can type alongside it. And what I'm going to do it, let's open up this document. And we are going to open it next to the original image. So I'm going to put the image on one side and document on the other side. And here, you can see, it did a pretty good job. And here I can edit. I can do whatever I want with any of the text. You could do this with any type of document. Just take a picture and bring it into Word, and then you could go ahead and edit the text. It's pretty simple to do. You only need Word, and then your cell phone or some type of phone or camera. Any camera would work, and you could do this. If you were able to successfully bring text into Word, and now you're able to edit it. Please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see future videos like this, hit that subscribe button. That way, you get a notification anytime new videos like this come out. And if there are anything else you're trying to learn, you want to try to figure out how to do something, leave a comment down below, and I'll add it to my list of videos to create in the future. And hey, that's all I had for you today. I will see you in next episode of Get Smart. Peace.